What's up, YouTube? How's everything going? I got a little bit of a surprise here in a little, hopefully educational video or something of the sort. Project I got now I'm working on. I've been kind of keeping under wraps. I haven't really showed any videos or said much about it, but better now is other than not better now than ever than never. I should say, but the I'm sort of doing this little Tarantino, I guess you could say, style, because going backwards and whatnot. But I will put out a good full review of this video of this car sooner than later. Right now, since I wanted to do the main thing was get this roof protected on the vehicle, I'm working on this now. So I figured it'd be a good time than ever to show how this process goes. So the vehicle at hand here is none other than a 78 Ford Thunderbird. And this is a 351M car. And what I'm doing here today, it's white red interior, was a white vinyl roof, which the person before me had peeled the roof off. So what I'm doing now is smoothing all the whatever little areas out and sanding it down nice. And I'm gonna, if I have to put any finishing icing on it, finishing putty icing or whatever, then go to primer from there, or it should be good. There really is no dents on it on the roof, and it's pretty squared away. It's just surface rust, so I'll figure that out as to get that far. But for now, I've been starting off with sanding with some 80 grit. Then I'm going to move up to 180 and then 320 to finish the sanding. And so all the surface rust and other areas are sanded fully out, because there was a lot of scratches and some grind marks apparently from where he tried to, the previous one, sand the through down or whatever. I don't know what grit he used or what not, but this will all take that. These steps here will take care of all this, knock it down smooth. Then if I need to, I can throw a skin coat of icing, which is a finishing, it's like Bondo, but it's a finishing Bondo. Or we'll use just, if I get it down nice and smooth enough, don't feel any dents, I could go right to a thick, heavy filler primer. If the roof is perfect, just like I said, which I believe it was, it just was surface rusty, but finish it off in 320, go to a filler, thick, heavy filler primer, then block that down. If I see anything I don't like from there, prime it again, block that down again, and then paint it. But I started here with some 800 already. If there's anything I feel I gotta take care of, I'll take care of. But I'm gonna go back to this, and then yeah. So here we go. I'm going to swap over the sandpaper and keep going at it. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, I've got the front half. A little more to do here, but I think I'm ready to step up from 80 to 180 grit on the roof. The back, I still got a ways to go. I'm going to finish the back in regular 80 grit first before I make the switch to 180 and go from there. So, yeah. Be right back. Alright, so we got this 2 spots here in the roof. Done with the 80, we're gonna move now to the 180, knock these 2 spots out again, and then move forward from there. Starting the 180. Alright, so for now, going on here, there's a few ears I put a little bit of icing and whatnot to smooth them stuff out. I'm gonna block it all down, get it nice and smooth, looking good. You know. Oh, I'm gonna go back in a second just to show you how to put a little more here, and how to put another spot here, and a little bit here where there was more bond just to get it shaped more smoother and follow the curves and the shape and the lines. I wanted it to look good, but I'll trim this down and smooth all this out, and it'll be good there. Then from there, I'm going to seal it with some DP, which is the stuff we put on, stuff that's bare when you got a lot of bare metal areas. And then put a coat of this stuff down, and then from there, put some filler primer on top of that, and I'll be able to block that down and get it ready for paint. But that's where we're at now. Just blocking some stuff out, some spots, and then go from there. See you all in a bit. Alright, we got this spot pretty much almost there. I'll put another little small skim coat on it. This spot here, all taking its shape now, getting good. Get a little more to go on this. Over here is pretty good. I think it's almost pretty much ready for primer, and in here as well, tape. So I'm gonna finish this up here, and I can start putting this in the DP to cover up all further protection for the metal, and then put primer over that. So I think we're gonna end this video here, and then I'll start up part 2 with the whole priming process for there. So I'll catch you guys later on that part.